He was like one of my first real patients that I had on my own, and very lovely man. And he had gotten this knee replacement and he was super compliant. I mean, like super compliant. He did it all the time. He had 91 of 91 sessions, I'm pretty sure, on top of doing his physical therapy outside of our bike. And I came to pick up the bike and I called him, and his front door was just open and sitting there. And I called him, I was like, hey, where are you? And he was like, oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot you were coming. And he was walking up the block like by himself, just like taking a leisurely stroll. And I was just like, what are you doing? And it was lovely to see, because like, one, I didn't even recognize him based off of how he was walking, and two, like, because I saw him, but two, just the fact that he felt so confident in himself after 21 days of having knee surgery that he could walk up a hill on his own, and it's awesome. I love it. I think it's great. I think it's really showing what can be done when you have quality rehab post surgery, I think.